Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make a very easy recipe on the Pit Boss K24 Kamado. We are going to smoke some pork loins, but in a buffalo wing way. Okay, so the ingredients are really easy as well. Just some red hot Frank's red hot wing sauce. If you cannot find the wing sauce, just take the original red hot Frank's red hot and put some liquid butter, some melted butter with the sauce. You will get exactly the same. If you cannot find the Frank's red hot, take the Louisiana. Okay, it's good as well, but don't use some Tabasco, please. All right, and for the rub, I will use the honey barbecue. So it's a sweet rub, and the sweetness of that rub will balance the spiciness of the hot sauce. Okay, 110 Celsius degrees for the Kamado. Just one wood shank is enough for that session, and we will cook the pork loins until an internal temperature of 68 Celsius degrees. I like the pork just done, not well done. So 68 Celsius degrees is perfect for me, but if you want it well done, just go to 74 Celsius degrees and it will be perfect. Let's go. I just marinated the pork loins in a Ziploc bag with some hot sauce, and that's it. 4 hours in the fridge is perfect. One of the most common mistakes for newbies in the Kamado world is to put too much charcoal inside the Kamado. Okay, 2 handsful of charcoal are just perfect for maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours of smoking. All right, what we need to do now is to melt some butter with some honey and hot sauce directly on the grill. Okay, and we will glaze the meat any 10 minutes maybe. So I have 50 grams butter, 1 very big tablespoon of honey, and let's say 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. Let's see. Oh, it looks great. We just need to make a beautiful plate now. Some blue cheese, some celery. And we're good. Look at that beautiful plate. So thank you for watching this video about pork loins in the buffalo way. I hope you appreciate. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.